Dear students, welcome to all students in this online video in session 2020-2021 BA part second semester third subject English literature. In last video we learned about a background to study of English literature. In this video we learn basic information about background book. There we discuss about three division of that book, like drama, poetry and prose. In this video we are going to learn the essay, and the essay is included in a background to study of English literature in session 3rd chapter 1st essay. So you see also that in that book. So here firstly we learn about introduction of essay. So here is definition of essay. No satisfactory and comprehensive definition of the term essay has been given. So here we are learning about the essay. Means we have to learn about this type, about this genre, what is origin, what is definition, what is structure, how to write essay. So these things we are learning in this chapter. So here there is a no specific definition is given the essay, and we know also about essay. Also essay is prescribed in Marathi. We also write essay in the Marathi subject, like essay on cow, essay on mother, essay on father, essay on the pet animals, essay on the wild animals, etc. Like that, here is the brief, sorry, not brief, here is a large concept of the essay. At that time many writers wrote essay, and this essay have been published in books, after that in another magazine, etc. So see here definition. The word essay came from the Latin word essay. This word came from or came from Latin word essay. There the spelling is A-double-S-A-Y, means it is called also in pronunciation essay, A-double-S-A-Y. After that this word transformed into essay. So there is a spelling in E-double-S-A-Y. So remember both spelling properly. Which means an attempt, and meaning of that word is an attempt, means you try to write essay. Means any idea, any feelings, emotion, you can write in this form. It is called essay. There is another definition of Dr. Johnson. Essay has a loose-shelling of the mind, an irregular, indigested piece, not a regular and ordinary performance. So here is the definition of the Dr. Johnson, and he said a loose-shelling of the mind. Yes, because there is no meter, there is no specific rhyme, means there is no join about rhyme, etc. So simply whatever thought we write in this form, that loose shell of the mind. There is no means confusion to join the rhyme, etc. and that is the irregular form. So there is no specific stanza, the one stanza, another stanza, third stanza, like the poetry. Means we can write as a paragraph your essay. So next definition of the Oxford English Dictionary explains it has a composition of the moderate length on any particular subject or a branch of subject. So here is the definition of the Oxford Dictionary: a composition of the moderate length. A composition of moderate length on any particular subject. There is a specific subject, and this subject is written essay by writer. Means writer can write particular subject with composition of moderate length. There is a particular length to write essay, so we have to follow. A writer has to follow that particular length, and he can write essay on it, or a branch of subject. Yes. Next definition is of Sainsbury. There is a definition of also Sainsbury. Sainsbury is the name of the writer. So Sainsbury describes it as a work of prose art. Yes, it is a work of prose art because essays are included in prose, and in prose there is no stanza form, there is no rhyme, rhythm. That is the arts of prose. Yes, or a work of prose art. So remember the definition. And also we learn the essay before videos. Like that, there is the 6 essay are prescribed in syllabus, and we learn that essay, like the Trumpet Club. After that, Children Dream, etc. Or also there is the My Fortune. All these definitions do not exactly fit on essay. Already we discussed about there is no satisfactory definition of essay. They cannot be applied to lengthy philosophical treatises such as the Pope's essay on the criticism. If you know whole information of the essay, so you read Alexander Pope's essay on criticism and essay on man. So there is whole information has been given of the essay. You read both essay of Alexander Pope, and that essays are essays on criticism and essays on man. Essay is easily distinguished by its manner than the matter. So there is a manner is important than matter. Means what is there, that is important. Not the structure is important. Means that theme, which subject is related. Means which subject is related to that particular theme. That is the manner is important, that structure. So also you remember. According to Hugh Water, essay can be written on any topic underneath the earth. Think about there is a hook or Hugh Water definition, means essay can be written on any subject. So there is no limitation. There is a limitation of the length, but there is no limitation of the subject. There is no limitation of particular matter or particular topic. If there is any topic, you can write essay. If you want to write essay on the college, on Sri Sai Baba Local Arts College, so you can write essay on that college. If there is a particular touchable accident scene, you can write on that. If there is a farmer issue, you can write essay on the farmer issue. If there is a government issue, you can write essay on the government issue. So there is no particular subject. So you can write essay on any subject. So that is the important thing. After that, the true essay according to W. Hodgson. W. Hudson also said about essay, and he is a very famous writer. So he said it's essentially personal. So that is a personal. So there is also two type of essay: personal essay and the impersonal essay. After that, you will learn about this essay. So here we started to learn about essay. Next part of this unit or this chapter or essay we will learn in next video. Thank you.